Gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. I'm excited to share my thoughts with you at the InsurTech Summit 22. However, before anything else, I would like to convey my appreciation to Mr. Kaval Mansoor and his team at the CxO Global Forum Network for organizing this summit. Digital disruption has transformed the world we live in, particularly the financial sector, by completely changing the expectations and behaviors of consumers. According to EY FinTech Adoption Index 2019, the average adoption of fintech globally is estimated at 64%, almost double that in 2017, when it was at 33%. And this adoption rate is expected to rise exponentially with COVID-19 pandemic having acted as a catalyst for digitalization. The same holds true for the insurance sector, which has traditionally been a conservative sector, but is now actively embracing the use of technology. This urgency of digital innovation within the insurance space is very well reflected by Scott Simoni, Director Google Cloud, who said, "Insurance is a highly regulated industry and it is not easy to move quickly, but the fact is consumers are moving at exceptional rates. So the companies that will stand out are the ones that are going to find ways to move a bit faster at the pace of the people they are insuring." Although Pakistan has trailed the region in the adoption of technology and has yet to unlock its full potential as a digital economy, nonetheless, with the advancement in internet infrastructure, Pakistan's technology ecosystem is coming to life. According to data compiled by PTA, mobile data subscribers and broadband subscribers penetration has reached over 50%. This fast increasing internet penetration, coupled with improved literacy rate, offers some low-hanging fruits for the insurtech market, which the insurance sector players must capitalize. It is precisely in view of its importance that encouraging innovation and the use of technology have been the cornerstone of SECP's objectives during the past 3 years. The Regulatory Sandbox program introduced in 2020 is now into its third cohort by enabling entrepreneurs and startups to trust and test their new ideas in a controlled environment. This program has yielded a number of successful business models and fast-tracked the modernization of the legislative framework as well. To name a few success stories, Digital Takaful was approved in the first cohort, followed by approval testing of parametric insurance in the second cohort. Building on this success, I'm pleased to report that in the third cohort, we have received numerous proposals which are being analyzed. These include need-based insurance, AI-based insurance underwriting, AI-based insurance claims assessment, and use of telematics for improved insurance pricing. Similarly, as I mentioned, this initiative has also aided in modernizing the regulatory ecosystem. SECP has finalized a dedicated regulatory framework for registration of digital-only insurers and dedicated micro-insurers. It will enable entities desirous of providing insurance through digital modes only to obtain registration with lesser requirements in terms of paid-up capital and solvency. Reducing entry barriers for small players will lead to deepening the market competition, encouraging product diversification, improving customer experience, and ultimately increasing insurance penetration. I firmly believe that both the industry and the regulator have to be agile enough to drive change and embrace innovation for the sustainable development of the insurance industry. And I'm optimistic that in the days to come, we shall see more collaboration between insurance companies on one hand and the technology companies on the other to come up with innovative solutions in this space. However, for that to happen, I would like to emphasize and share 3 thoughts in this regard. Firstly, insurance distribution should not be the sole focus of insurtech applications. In fact, potential applications of insurtech need to be wide-ranging, making use of AI, the Internet of Things, and machine learning, covering the complete spectrum of the insurance value chain, from product development, underwriting, sales, and advisory, policy administration, to claims management. Secondly, there is plenty of room to leverage existing strengths through alliances, integrations, and product bundling. Where a single product provider might struggle, technology can enable multi-product distribution models at a fraction of the cost and yet target a much broader customer base. In this regard, agriculture and livestock value chains present abundant opportunities for the insurance industry. And lastly, there's a need to carry out methodical research with a customer-centric mindset. Our insurance penetration remains low. The insurance industry must carry out a holistic review of the need pattern of ordinary businesses and citizens and develop solutions suited to their needs, spanning their entire life cycle. I earnestly hope that after the intellectual discourse and serious deliberations today, we can all get some insights as to the way forward for promoting digital insurance in the country and reaping the benefits that InsurTech has to offer. I wish you all a very successful and fruitful summit. Thank you very much.